decide, am I keeping this after warranty, or am I going to unload it, 6 months or 9 months before the warranty expires? You got to make an educated decision.
That is the most answered question here that
Yeah.
we give to a question that's answered the least. We'll do a pre-purchase inspection on a vehicle and tell the customer 9 times out of 10 what the maintenance and service will cost on that vehicle without them having to ask us, because
What's the reaction
they don't think.
Yeah.
You know,
What's the reaction when you give them that figure?
it depends what it is. If it's a Mini or a Jaguar, they sort of fall off the chair usually. But we're not. What kind of job are we doing if we do an inspection on a car and tell you, yeah, that's in good condition today and it seems like it's been well looked after? We've spoken in the past, but we always tell people check the accident history with the police and the government, and check that there's a service history with it. If the service history is incomplete in any way on a modern car, don't bother with it. It's not